Hey guys, Kathy and Garrett Pashusta with the Grit and Polish here, and we are in Tacoma at our converted garage project working on the dining room with Metrie.
We have a really fun project today that's going to be installing some base and panel molding to create some really cool kind of picture frame panels on the dining room wall behind us. So here's an example of the base. This is from Metrie's vintage industrial style from their Option M line. And so we have this smaller molding for the picture panels, and then this will go down below. And we're just going to install these using an air nailer and a little bit of glue, and so it should go up really fast. It's a really easy project that really anyone can tackle. So this is going to look really good. It's going to be fun.
Yeah, this is definitely a weekend project.
We created a design plan based around the molding and the industrial style of the space. Then we measured and laid out the pattern on the wall. Before we got the glue and nails out, we used blue tape to mock up a test panel.
After a few final adjustments, we cut all the materials for the base and the panels. We used a level to make sure the panel sides were plumb and square, then attached the pieces with glue and the air nailer.
Once the panels were in place, we caulked all the seams and nail holes and then painted the whole wall.
We're done! We're done! We're done, we're done, we're done.
It only took us like a day. It was an easy project. So
Literally, we got this Metrie Option M molding up in 3 hours, including paint. So all told, it's about 1 day worth of work, and I think the before and after on this is pretty crazy. We really designed this space around the vintage industrial molding, and I think that's helpful, is to start your design with that in mind, and everything else came together around it. The vintage industrial molding from the Option M by Metrie was perfect for this space. It's really cool, edgy.
it has kind of just a clean, kind of strong profile that just really fits with like concrete, beams.
Yeah.
We thought the project turned out really great, and if you would like more information about Option M or the vintage industrial style, visit metrie.com/grit and polish.